My name is Kevin, and over the past 10 years, I've worked with companies ranging from startups to mid-sized organizations around the 50 million in annual revenue range, and even handling design projects for major names like Facebook, the Clark County School District, and Jordan Scale Engineers, one of the largest MEP firms in the country. I've even won design competitions from Meta and Vitamin Water. The design process is broken into 6 key steps that are critical into turning your homepage into a high converting tool for your business. Step number 1 is to reconstruct your primary navigation and footer for better site architecture. This is crucial for B2B businesses trying to generate leads. A clear, logical navigation helps your visitors find what they're looking for quickly, which reduces frustration and keeps them on your site longer. This also improves your site's SEO performance, making it easier for search engines to understand and rank your content. The second step is to create a high impact hero section that effectively delivers your unique value proposition. You have seconds to make an impression, and your hero section is the first thing visitors see, so it needs to be visually striking and communicate exactly what makes your business unique. For B2B companies, this is especially important because you want to immediately establish your credibility and value in a crowded market. Step number 3 is to include multiple forms of social proof. Social proof like testimonials, case studies, client logos builds trust with potential clients. In B2B, where sales cycles often take a little bit longer and where trust is key, showcasing your past successes helps reassure visitors that you can deliver these same results to them. Step number 4 is to lead with benefits to take advantage of your buyer psychology. By highlighting your benefits of your service rather than just the features, you tap into what your visitors really care about, how your solution can really solve their problems. This approach is critical in persuading B2B buyers who are often looking for specific outcomes, such as increased revenue or efficiency. Step number 5 is to include a powerful call to action section. A strong CTA directs visitors to take the next step, whether it's booking a call, downloading a white paper, or requesting a demo. This is where conversions happen. For a B2B business, an effective CTA can make the difference between someone leaving your site or becoming a lead. The final step is to create a stunning design that matches your brand. The design of your homepage not only has to look good, but needs to align with your brand's values and identity. Using proven design principles will guide users to take actions that you want them to take, all while reinforcing credibility and professionalism.